Recently, Cabinet Minister Banteidor Lyngdoh alleged that the NPP offered him ₹5 crore to join their party. The statement made by Lyngdoh caught the attention of many political leaders. The NPP National President Conrad Sangma, who is also the Chief Minister, denied the claim made by Banteidor Lyngdoh. Talking to media persons yesterday, former Minister and Congress leader J.A. Lyngdoh took a dig on the NPP for taking a soft stance against the PDF leader Banteidor Lyngdoh, despite the charges against the party being serious in nature. Lyngdoh said that the NPP's response that they were unaware of such offers was soft. He said the NPP should have asked Banteidor to apologize or resign from the cabinet post if his claims were false.
Kamdeng ke basisya ka statement ba ai da u when the minister but he was offered 5 crores but contest from NPP, then why don't you ask him and apologize? The chief minister himself and the NPP party should have requested him, please apologize through the press because you have given the wrong statement.